This is a Bimobil Ex366 van. It costs €130,239 should you want it. I'll get some of the details as I come out. It's empty at the moment and there's lots of people around me. Obviously with something like this, it's not really the internal decor that should interest you the most, but rather the capacity of the engine and the way the suspension system works and how well the construction is suited to hardcore off-road living. Having said that, I'll give you some external details. You have to look at my site, motorhomefulltime.com, because I've got that sort of information there. Yeah, walk down to the front, then I'm going to walk back, get a cab down here. Right, fair enough. Mercedes, bang bang bang. And now let's come around here, I'll show you a little bit. Got the same fridges I've got in my van. And so the outside it's 618 centimeters, width 214 and height 292. And here I'm referring to the habitation unit and not the overall length of the vehicle. So the with the vehicle, however, it's just over 3 tons, which is quite impressive really, and you can put it on a 3,800 kilo basis, so that'll give you a fair amount of payload, and you'd probably need it in this place. You'd likely go with something like this. 160 litre water tank, 100 litre dirty water tank, and it's got 120 ampere hour batteries, Truma Combi D6 with a 10 litre boiler. Right, how's the bed work? Well, this bit here pulls out down there, and this bit up here sticks in there, and that'll give you a rather large bed. If you think you're doing any cooking, so you can go and shoot a lion or something, and you can prepare it here. Although lions are usually protected, so I don't suggest you do that. Let's have a walk around the outside. So I've got people sort of come. Well, no, I'll show you the bathroom before doing anything else, because I think that's relatively important. A big bathroom here. Look at the size of this. I mean, it's not bad at all. And after eating that lion, you'll probably be spending a lot of time in here. He'll even stand in the shower. See how tall? Yeah, well, how much space there is. Oops. There. Okay, let's now. I'll come out and have a walk around. Now the company understandably doesn't want people to sort of walk in and out. The thing is, I walk in, obviously I've got permission to go in, and people actually follow me in. Let's have a look at the outside. Allrad 4x4, Allrad means 4x4 in German. And all wheel, that means. Yeah, got you can watch the telly when you're in here. You can watch the nature programs. Find out about that lion you just shot and ate. Spare wheel, you'll be needing that. Somebody told me about going to Ukraine. He said don't take a spare wheel, take 2. And that's using the normal roads. Sorry, Ukraine, not the Ukraine, Ukraine. Right, so there's a Bimobil. I'll show you some of the other vehicles while I'm here. I mean, it's a bit difficult actually to film inside the things, but yeah, this thing here, that's on an Iveco basis. Whilst I'm walking around, I do want to actually mention the 4x4 show in Bad Kissingen, which is held this year. It'll be at the end of June, which you've got a fantastic array there, including the Bimobil's there, but lots of other companies there as well. fantastic arrangements, great atmosphere. It's an outdoor event, and I know in one year, I think it was 2012, it poured down, but last it was roasting in Germany. How beat that? And so definitely something you might want to do. Okay, it's a pickup unit, this Husky 240. Allrad, well, not really unless you've got the base vehicle. Although most of these base vehicles, the Amaroks and the X-Class and what have you, they are 4x4. You know, it's Hilux. Hilux, sorry. I'm told I pronounce it incorrectly. Here, I'll give you the price of this caravan thing. Not pickup. 94,300. Oh, sorry, that includes the vehicle. Sorry. So the pickup's 40,000 and the vehicle's 36. Yeah, we'll go in because I have been given permission. You see though, compared to most pickup units, though, you've got lots and lots of space in here. I mean, look at the size of the washroom as well. And bearing in mind your footprint is largely that of the base vehicle. Well, of course there is some overhang. I don't know if you can count overhang as being a footprint. Well, I suppose you have to really. So, actually, I think this one here is quite really a good solution given the space that this can actually offer. No, I'm actually quite honest. I'd rather film these all individually. You know, with people hanging around, and there could be potential buyers. I don't want to put anybody off. Okay, this is the EX42, 211,607 euros in this condition. What I like about this though, look at that big window there. Hey, that's great. Lots of space. I'll show you the shower seats on here. Shower's in the connecting place to the cabin, it's there. And there's the toilet. I think this makes sense. Putting the shower in the corridor and something like that, nicer way through to the driving bit. That's bit.
Okay.
Ich könnte jetzt rein theoretisch hier einfach rausspringen. Mach ich aber nicht. Viel zu hoch.
People sort of follow me in despite the sign.
Also nicht?
Okay, so that's a quick walk around the Bimobil stand. And probably this thing here looks the most exciting. Or indeed this one. I think the Unimog one for me is the most exciting van. $176,465. Let's stick the camera around the door, hoping there's no children in there. Get to the the driving bit through there, that cab, so that comes out according to the requirements. At the back you've got 2 bunk beds, and of course you've got the overcab bed up the front as well.